Hey everyone, so today's video, we're going to do another unboxing video, and this is for our Poshmark haul unboxing. So I am so excited for this one because I wanted to share with you all guys what will you expect when you order to Poshmark. So without further ado, let's go proceed to our video. Welcome back in our channel. I am Mitch, also known as Momandkidzstyle on Poshmark, and this is my son Ricky.
Hi!
So I am a full-time Poshmark seller, and I'm also a full-time stay-at-home mom. I own a small business, and for today's video, we're so excited to do this because today we're going to share with you all our Poshmark haul unboxing. So we ordered some stuff at Poshmark. We love to shop there. We're not only a seller, you know, we also love to shop at Poshmark. So today we're going to check out some other sellers' boxes here. So I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So let's start with this one. So for the first box, guys, this is what I received here. She include a freebies of product candy, perfume, and a Chanel beauty cream here. So it's very sweet of her to kind of like add some freebies onto a bundle. So speaking of bundles, I decided to do a bundle order on her closet, and I will going to put her here so that way you could check her out. Some other people there that have never used Poshmark, and that's one thing that you need to remember every time you shop on Poshmark. If you can, you know, just look around to some other closet that you have the same interest or same style or following a same brands, so that way, you know, you could save a lot if you're going to put everything on your bundle. You could either make an offer for all the bundle that you add on, or you know, either way the seller will going to send you an offer afterwards. First item that I got from her is this one. As you could see, everything is still in good condition. It's all brand new, still has a tag on. I really like this one. This is a lip tattoo from Dior. It's like a lip tint, you know, but it's a long wear. So I swatch it in here, so it's already dry up. So as you can see how it looks like. And yeah, I like it because it does really stays long. That's why when I saw it in her closet, I decided I'll going to purchase it because it's brand new, and I decided to add it on my bundle because, you know, maybe I could get a great deal because she still have a lot of nice products there, you know, on her closet. So next thing is this one. So I got a Chanel mascara here. And this is how it looks like. Another thing is this one. This is a brow wiz from Anastasia, and it's on the shade chocolate here. She got a lot of good stuff on her closet, by the way, you know. So this is how it looks like. Everything that I got from her closet, and with the freebies that she gave to me, which is really sweet. So this is such a sweet deal. So check her out on her closet so that way you get an idea on the items that I got. She really has amazing products there, so check her out. So the next box that we're going to open here, oh, okay. So I remember now because I attend one time on a Poshmark party, and that's when I decided to purchase all this because we're having a Poshmark party for makeup. And I was scrolling down and I found this closet, and I think they have the brands that what I'm looking for, you know, and I'm so lucky I found them because like for this one, and this is a Kylie lip kit, and I was one time at the Kylie website and I found it there that because of the COVID-19 they're having like difficulties that it will take much longer for the shipment to arrive. So I was looking for specific for these shades of Kylie shades, and I decided, you know, kind of like to join on the party on Poshmark, and I found this closet. I'll put her here so that way you could check her out as well. and she got the right shades that I'm looking for. So there you go. So let's check it out. So I got this Kylie kit, which is on the shade of Kylie, and it's brand new and it's still on the box, good condition. So I got this one as well on her closet. I'm having a hard time to find the shades, so there you go. It doesn't have a box, but it's still brand new. Like same thing that she said on the description. It doesn't have a box anymore, but she said she never used it, so it's really good condition, guys. So these are the products that I've got on her closet. And for the last package, guys, that I have here for our Poshmark haul. So ta-da! This is how it looks like, guys. And so this is what I got for the first product, guys. It's a white romper. So I'll move ahead here. This is on size medium. To give you all some idea how it looks like, I'll put the picture here. So that's how it looks like, and I think it's really in good condition. So same thing with this one. This is a white V-neck top. So this is how it looks like, guys. So for the third one is this floral, kind of like a nude gold color. I think this one is on the size small, but it's okay for me because sometimes I do small or medium on their size. Yeah, I like this one as well. And for our fourth one here, so this is for the fourth item, guys, that I got. These are also on size medium. So yeah, I'll put it in here so that way you see how it looks like for fitting. So for the fifth item that I got on her closet, I decided to just grab a short because you know it's already summer. So okay, this is the last part here. So for the next product, guys, that I got is this Tom Ford lipstick, and I'll show you all, guys, how it looks like. So as you can see, and it's very sweet of her because she even gave me this Marc Jacob lip lacquer here. And yeah, I will put her closet here so that way you could check her out. You know, you'll see every item that she have there. She has really a good style. So I have this one. So we received a package from, you know, this company, and this is for the kiddos, and I think it's really a good idea because they're here in the house. So this is from the company SANMERSEN, and you could find them on the Amazon. I will going to put the link in my description box as well. So thank you so much, guys, for sending this electronic keyboard, and I think this is really sweet of you guys to send this for the kiddos, and they're really so excited to use this one. So we're going to set this one up. And so I just plug it in, and as you can see here, it's already on. And see here, there's a LCD screen and all the different kinds of tones and everything.
Tons, and here's the tons. To paint to the panel today. And that's it.
So the kids are already enjoying it right now. They're having a blast. So if you are interested with that product, I will going to leave it in my description box, so for you to check it out. And yeah, I think they're having a great deal right now, so check it out. And for the last product that we're going to unbox is from the COSORI company. They sent this to us, and yeah, I opened it into the box, but I never get a chance to really unbox it. So today we're going to unbox it. And thank you so much guys for sending this to us. So this is how it looks like guys, and this is from the company COSORI. So for the disclaimer, this product is a gift to us that we received from the company because they want us to collaborate and kind of like give our opinion or review for this, so that way, you know, we could give you all our review for this. To shop at Amazon, you could help me out by checking out my link in my description box. If you are interested with the items that I showed a while ago, you know, you could find it in my description box as well. So yeah, that's it for our today's unboxing and for our Poshmark haul. I hope I give you all some idea on how to shop on Poshmark. If you are new to Poshmark, you know, I like what I said, it's always better to do bundles, because from there you could make a great deal from the seller, you know, or they could send you an offer. So you could work it out, and especially to some other people like me, like doing a reselling business and really having a hard time for their inventory because of the COVID-19 to source around. I always suggest to look around on Poshmark. There's a lot of closet there that they're really ready to let go of their stuff, and there's some other apps as well that doing a reselling, so check them out. As you could see, you know, like some other items here are still brand new, it still has a tag on. You could find a lot of closet that has this, and you could resell it from there, you know. So check out also my closet on Poshmark. It's Momandkidzstyle. Don't forget to visit us on our website www.momandkidzstyle.com and use our 20% spring code for this month, and it's spring 20 for additional 20% off on your entire purchase and free shipping for over $100. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next one.